Hello all, Johan Aalto here, and I'm going to show you how to download, install, and configure the SAS University Edition. The first step is to download Oracle VirtualBox. Copy the URL address with the blue background. Write the link to the address bar and make sure you are on the SAS University Edition page. Click the Get Free Software button. Scroll down a little and you can find 3 boxes. Choose your operating system. I have Windows, so I will choose the first one. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Scroll down again and you find the 4-step guide how to download, install and configure the SAS University Edition. Scrolling down you can find the PDF instructions. There are also video instructions if you want to check them out. Scroll down again and you can find the link to the VirtualBox software. Our first step is to download it. Click to download VirtualBox. In the VirtualBox page, choose the latest package to your operating system. In my case, I will choose the Windows hosts. If your download doesn't start in a few seconds, be sure you don't have any firewall or settings blocking it. While you are waiting the download to be finished, you can make ready some other things. Let's go back to the SAS University Edition download page. Open the PDF document. Create a folder called SAS University Edition. Then create a subfolder called My Folders. You can create them wherever you want as long as you remember where they are. This is the place you will save your SAS files. When your VirtualBox download is ready, double-click to install it to your computer. Accept every step by clicking Next and Install. Now just wait for the installing program to finish. After installing is ready, click the Finish button. Now let's open the SAS University Edition download tab again. We can now continue to the second part of installation. Click the Get SAS University Edition button. After click, the page is going to ask you to register to the SAS. You will then have a download link to your email. The registration process is not in this video because I have already done that myself. This process should be very straightforward though. After clicking the email link, you must agree the terms and conditions. Then continue and download page for the SAS University Edition is finally opening. Click the download button and downloading should be start in any second. The SAS file is a large file, so prepare yourself for a long downloading time depending on your own internet connections. In step 3, we will configure the SAS University Edition. Open the VirtualBox. Now we must import the SAS University Edition, which we downloaded earlier. Click File and import appliance. Open the File Explorer and search your file. It's probably in Download folder. Open the downloaded file. Click Next and Import. Importing may take some time and it's not on this video. After importing process is finished, click the Settings. From Settings, choose the Shared folders. On the right side, you can see a small icon wherefrom you can add your own folder we created before. In the folder path, click the small arrow and choose Other. I created the needed folders to Documents. Now you should find the place you created your folders. Select My Folders. Also check the Auto Mount. Now the configuration is done and you can start your program. Next I'm going to show you how to run SAS University Edition. First we need to start the VM VirtualBox. The icon has a cubic shape. Now the VirtualBox opens the window. At this moment I assume that you have configured your VirtualBox already. Next, click the Start button. You can now see the black screen, which means that SAS has started to run. Blue screen with SAS logo can also appear to your screen. Finally, the black screen appears again. On the third row you can find a URL address. Write it down so you can use it later. You can minimize this black screen, but do not exit the program. Open your internet browser. I have Google Chrome, but any browser should do. Click the address bar and write the link from the black screen. Remember to not close the VM VirtualBox. In a few seconds, the SAS University Edition is ready to take your commands. Thank you for watching. Examples of how to use SAS will be found in the next video.